Looking for the best blender to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Best Commercial Blender. This heavy-duty blender features unmatched fine-tuning via sensitive manual control, plus a wide variety of smart pre-programmed settings, along with great power and quality materials. This blender delivers strong performance and has excellent, easy-to-use buttons, including pre-programmed functions and full manual control. Power comes from a 2.2 horsepower peak motor, and the stainless steel blades can easily spin fast enough to friction heat soups and other mixtures. Like the rest of the Vitamix commercial blenders, this model has a self-cleaning mode that saves time. Designed to meet the demands of busy juice shops and coffee shop settings, this pro-grade blender has more than enough durability for making smoothies and shakes at home. It comes with a low-profile pitcher that holds 64 ounces, allowing large batches. Another noteworthy feature of this model is self-detect technology. This means the blender can automatically adjust for different size containers. Number 2. Waring Extreme Commercial Blender. This high-performance blender comes with a 3.5 HP motor and a BPA-free pitcher design that provides for exceptionally smooth and speedy blending. This heavy-duty blender comes with a generous 64-ounce pitcher for large batches. Made of BPA-free Tritan plastic, it's easy to pour from and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. With up to 3.5 peak horsepower, the Extreme Commercial Blender helps create smoothies, shakes, and blended frozen drinks at high speed. Designed to hold up to professional use, it goes far beyond most countertop blenders and personal blenders when it comes to crushing ice cubes and blending fruit, making it one of the best blenders to puree food options on the list. This blender also benefits from a clear, backlit LCD screen with easy-to-use manual controls plus programmable options. Number 3. Blendtec Professional 800 Commercial Blender. A fully sealed sound enclosure makes this one of the least noisy professional-grade blenders on the market, while a motor with 3.8 peak horsepower makes it also one of the strongest. While it's one of the most powerful blenders on the market, with a 3.8 horsepower motor, this enclosed blender is even less noisy than some smaller personal blenders. A tightly fitting noise-canceling enclosure helps keep the neighbors happy, which may be a key feature, especially if you tend to start blending early in the AM. It comes with a high-capacity 90-ounce blender pitcher and extra-thick, strong stainless steel blades. Thanks to their unique design, these blades obviate the need for a tamper to unstick ingredients like whole fruit, nut butter, and ice cubes. The control panel features a touch-sensitive slider for variable speed control, and there are also pre-programmed settings for soup, ice cream, smoothies, and Number 4. Vitamix 3609 Commercial Blender. Designed for heavy-duty coffee shop and restaurant use, this blender has a sound-insulating lid and 93 variable speeds to ensure flexibility and precise blending when making frappuccino-type coffee drinks, smoothies, and shakes. Powered by the same motor used in other Vitamix professional blenders, this model adds a vibration-reducing enclosure that dampens the noise and allows for a more peaceful environment behind the counter or in the kitchen. Designed primarily for coffee shop and restaurant duty, it comes with high-performance, long-lasting hardened steel blades, a 48-ounce pitcher, and 34 pre-programmed cycle functions, making it among the most capable commercial ice blenders around. This blender also has an outstanding amount of manual controls, giving 93 different speed settings and making it capable of blending everything from thin juices and margaritas to thick shakes, smoothies, and malts. However, it lacks the versatility of some more home kitchen-focused high-performance blenders, especially when it comes to food processing tasks. Number 5. Vitamix 5200 Commercial Blender. Able to heat soups and other hot liquids by friction, this powerful blender comes with a durable professional motor with a radial cooling fan for long-lasting performance, plus variable speed control and a self-cleaning mode. This professional blender has blades that spin fast enough to heat soup from friction alone, plus 10 speed settings and a variable speed knob that allows for precise adjustment. Its sophisticated BPA-free pitcher incorporates Vitamix's unique design that channels contents back toward the blades for efficient and smooth blending. While it lacks the pre-programmed options some models of personal blender offer, this is easily one of the best-performing blenders for a wide variety of food and beverage prep tasks both in the kitchen and in work settings. It works for hot liquids as well as all kinds of frozen beverages and ice cream. A highly useful and convenient self-cleaning cycle is another plus, letting you fully clean the picture and blades in under a minute.